How to connect Namecheap domain to Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to take your online store to the next level, then this video is for you. I will show you a simple steps to connect your Namecheap domain to your Shopify store, and I will cover everything you need from purchasing your domain on Namecheap to configuring the settings on Shopify. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, before opening your Shopify dashboard, just go back and open the Namecheap account. Then in the search bar, just type namecheap.com. Then guys, this is the official Namecheap provider. Then just first you need to create your account and verify it with your email address or phone number. Then after verifying your email address, just go directly to the search bar. Then guys, you need to tap your store name or company name or any domain name you want. For example, on your switch, for example, then hit on search. Then guys, I will show you step by step how you can easily purchase the Namecheap domain with the easy method. Then guys, this is your online your domain name .news. Then if you want to buy .com, .net, .org, .ei, then everyone has a price. Then guys, for example this one, or for example this one on newswitch.com, then just hit on add to cart on the right side. Then hit on add to cart. Then guys, go directly to the cart section on the top. As you see guys, just hit on select your cart section, then hit on view cart. As you see guys, it's very easy to buy your domain name on Namecheap. Then guys, first you need to customize your domain name. First you need to select how many years that you want. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 10 years. Then guys, then you need to select auto renew. Then automatically the payment, it will update it every year. Then guys, go directly to if you want to add improve your site with web hosting or business email or rank high in search, everything. Or I prefer to, if you are a beginner, just hit on confirm order. Or just if you have a promo code, just go and you need to select and research for promo code, the Namecheap promo code, then add it. Then automatically the price, it will decrease. Then hit on confirm order. Then guys, it will take you directly to your payment section. First, if you want to just buy it with using PayPal or add your debit card, then hit on continue. Then guys, automatically you will be able to use the domain name. As you see guys, this is the easy method to buy your domain name on Namecheap provider. Then after buying your domain name, then go back to Namecheap. Then first guys, you need to hit open, go back and open your then go back and open Shopify dashboard. Then go directly and hit on settings. Then guys, scroll directly to domain sections. Then hit on domain on the left side. Then first you need to connect existing domain. Then hit on connect. Then you need to add your domain name. Then go back to your Namecheap domain, hit on account. This is my domain name. Then hit on manage. Then you need to copy your domain name and go back and paste it, or you can just type it easily. Then hit on next. Then guys, first you need to verify your connection. Then hit on verify connection. Then guys, you need to add this 2 records to your Namecheap domain. Then hit on add the first record is a record and CNAME record. Then hit on again domain name. Then go back and hit on advanced DNS. Then you need to hit and add a new record, or you can first you need to remove this record, delete this record. Then guys, go directly and hit on add a new record. Then first a record, then alt. Then as you see guys, the name and the value. Then copy the value. This is the value. Then let TTL automatic. Then hit on save changes. Then again guys, go back and add the CNAME record and copy the name www. Then again a new record, CNAME record, then the www, that the value, go back and copy the value. again paste it, then let the TTL automatic, then hit on save changes. As you see guys, wait a few seconds to save changes and add the CNAME record to your domain name. As you see guys, now your 2 records was added successfully. Then go back and hit on verify connection. As you see guys, and CNAME record, just check the entry, check that you have entered the required value and verify your connection again, then again verify connection. Now your domain name was connected successfully. As you see guys, SSL pending, it takes only 24 hours, then automatically it will be active and available on your Shopify store. Then guys, after adding your domain name to your Shopify, then just first you need to switch between the default domain name to your custom domain name or Namecheap domain name to your Shopify. Then first you need to select your new domain name, then hit on change domain type. Then first you need to make it and make sure to select a primary domain displayed on the address bar when the visitors are browsing your online store. Then hit on change domain type, then automatically your domain name will added and be active on your Shopify store. As you see guys, this is the easy method to link and connect your Namecheap domain with your Shopify store with the simple steps without no issue. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.